Oh no! Where are all the letters vanishing? Now I need to find them. Would you help me find the missing letters? Let's go! Let's try to find the first letter. Would it be under these colorful boxes? Let's find out. Not here. Not under this one. There it is. It's the letter A. A for apple. Let's try to find the next letter. Where could it be? Not here. Not under this one. Wow, here it is. It's the letter B. B for balloon. Now where's the next letter? Let's check the boxes. Not here. Not here as well. Wow, we have found it. It's the letter C. C for cat. What about the next letter? Where could it be? Can't find it here. Here it is. It's the letter D. D for dog. Let's find the next letter. Let's check the boxes again. Not here. Not under this one. Yay! You found it! It's the letter E. E for elephant. Okay, where's our next letter? Is it here? No. Here? No. There it is. That's our next letter. It's F. F for fish. Where's the next letter? Let's find it together. Can't find it here. We have found it. It's the letter G. G for giraffe. Let's search for the next letter. Where could it be? Well, it's here. It's the letter H. H for horse. Okay, where's our next letter now? Not here. There you go. It's the letter I. I for ice cream. Let's look for the next one. Are you able to see it anywhere? Not here. Can't find it here. Wow, we found it. It's the letter J. J for joker. Okay, now where could be our next letter? Not here. Yes, we have found it. It's the letter K. K for kite. Now let's look for our next letter. Where could it be? There it is. It's the letter L. L for lion. Okay, now can you help me find the next letter? Not here. Can't find it here. We found it! Amazing! It's the letter M. M for monkey. Now let's look for the next letter. Can you help me find it? Here it is. It's under the blue box. It's letter N. N for nose. Let's find the next letter. Is it under the blue box? No! Is it under the yellow box? No! Is it under the purple box? There it is! It's the letter O. O for octopus. Now where is our next letter? Let's look under the boxes. Is it under the blue box? No! How about the pink box? Yes! We have found it! It's the letter P. P for parrot. Let's look for the next letter now. Is it under the blue box? It's not here! Is it under the pink box? Not here as well! Is it under the red box? Yes, there it is! It's the letter Q! Q for queen! All right, time to find the next letter. Let's look under the boxes. Not here. Yes, found it! It's the letter R. R for rabbit. Now, where is our next letter? Let's see. Is it here? No. Is it under the orange box? No. Let's look under the yellow box. Aha, here it is. It's the letter S. S for sunflower. Okay, we have to find the next letter together. Where could it be? It's under the green box. This is letter T. T for tiger. Come on, kids. Help me find the next letter. Is it here? No. Is it here? No. How about here? Yes, we found the next letter. It's U. U for umbrella. Now let's find the next letter. Is it under the green box? No. How about the blue box? Yes. It's the letter V. V for violin. Okay, time to find the next letter. Is it here? No. Is it here? No. It must be here. Yes, it's the letter W. W for watch. Let's search for the next letter. Is it under the pink box? Yes! It's the letter X. X for xylophone. We're getting closer, kids. Let's find the next letter. Is it under the pink box? No! Is it under the red box? Yes, it's here. It's the letter Y. Y for yak. All right, kids, let's find the last missing letter. Let's look under the pink box. Not here. How about the red box? Not here. Let's look under the orange box. Yes, we found it. It's the letter Z. Z for zebra. Wow, amazing, kids! We found all the missing letters. Thanks for helping me. See you on our next puzzle adventure. Bye-bye, kids.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun adventures like this.